Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the one-step hairdryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous results.
Hold on, honey. So, guys, all right, Lally and I have been on the search, right? We've been searching for an amazing hair product, and I had some friends recommend a couple, and I think we found it. I think we found the one. So, as you can see, I did half my head because it's gonna be loud, but I wanna show you how it works to like this is my hair when it dries, right? I know, embrace the curls. Sometimes in my life I go through these phases, but the majority of the time, I like my hair like this. It's just how I like it. So I normally have to dry and straighten my hair, and it takes a long time. So some friends, some sweet friends, recommended this product, and I did this one side of my head. All I did was have to let it air dry for a little bit, towel dried it a little bit, and it looks like this when that happens, right? It's still a little wet in here. But guys, this took like a couple of swipes through. Hi, Kim. Look at my hair. My friend Kim, she says hi. Yes. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like, tell you what it is, and then show you how it works. I'm so excited about it. Okay, it is called, let me show you the box. It is called the Revlon One-Step Dryer, Hair Dryer in Volumizer.
Birdie.
This is what it looks like. We're in nature again, we get distracted easily. She is my child. So guys, look. One step, like I said, let your hair just kind of air dry, towel dry it, and then all you need is this baby right here, and you don't need to dry and straighten your hair. You get this look just from using this bad boy, and it cuts down your styling time by half. So, thanks, Lally. So, guys, I did this side of my hair. Like I said, this is going to be short and sweet for you to show you this bad boy. And I'll put the Amazon link down in the comments if you would like to check it out for yourself. So, it's around $53.
Oh, that's too
No, my hair dryer is like over 100, and so was my straightener, I believe.
So much.
So $53 on Amazon. You can return it if it doesn't work. Everything these days should have a money-back guarantee, by the way, which this does. So let's just check it out, right? So this is my hair, just how it is, and let's do it. So you just turn this little, right? Easy. Watch this. Watch this. You can hold it. You guys hear me? You can hold it at your root for like 2-3 seconds if you want a lot of volume. And then just run it through. And if you want to curl the end, just hold it there too for a second or two. Right! I love it! Alright, so you might want to just do sections. Who do we have here? We got Maddie. We got Maddie in the background. But guys, this thing works amazing and it's so quick. Look at that! All right, let's get this big chunk in here. And it's really just like a brush. You can just go through and brush it. Thanks, Sally. So guys, it's really quick. I cheated. I used it before I got on here because I didn't want to have to do my whole head. Oh, thanks, Allison. I know, like I said, sometimes I go through a little phase where I like just go au naturel and let the curls rock. But most of the time, I like my hair straight. All right, so look. I mean, this side I could do it again, but I just want to show you guys quickly how well it works. Let me do my hair. All right.
Maddie!
And, okay, but you guys get the idea, right? So you can go through your whole head and just use it like kind of as a brush, and it's so easy. Again, it's called the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. That's what the box looks like.
Hair dryer.
And look at the other thing you can do with it too. Michelle, I need that. Aw, thanks, Michelle. Maybe I'll rock the curls. I don't know. Kelly, do you love it or what? Do you use it all the time, or is it one that like
Kelly
goes under the sink and then doesn't come out? Now, look at Olivia's hair. Hold on, guys. So, if you've been rocking the pony, right? We all know I do that. And you take it out, right? For me, I get all these crazy kinks when I do that. This will do like, just take a second and run through your hair, and then it's like fresh. Maybe a squirt of dry shampoo in there too, and you're good to go. So watch Lally's. Ready?
Can I do it?
Maddie, what are you doing, baby? I love this thing. And it doesn't grab at the hair and like tangle it like that other one did. But look at Lally's hair. Look how to run it through. She doesn't look happy. But guys, I love it. Like I said, a couple of you guys recommended it, so thank you, especially my friend Megan. Thanks, Lovey.
Megan!
And I absolutely love it. So it's so easy. It's cuts your time in half from getting ready, because who has time, right?
Look at this.
To beautify. Oh, Addie's watching. Say hi.
Hi, Addie!
So anyway, that's the product, guys. Worth it or waste it. It looks like a lot of you guys already have it. So if you do, let us know if you love it too. And I'll put it in the comments and link there to the Amazon. Want to say hi, Cam? And you guys can go check it out. That was pleasant. Check it out for yourselves. So thank you for joining us. Oh, Addie says hi. Addie says hi back. So we will see you guys next week. We've got something really fun planned. So
What is it?
join us. I'll let you know after. Join us next week. Thank you guys for joining us. Say bye, Lally.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
press. My hair is so thin. Let's see the volume I'm gonna give it. Okay, it's soft.